Hey everybody, how's it going? This video is a little bit of a random one, but don't go on the internet, don't check the marketplaces, and don't buy random cars you don't need. So this little beauty popped up. My friend sent it to me. He's like, hey, this is near you. I'm like, oh, okay. Don't mind the mess, by the way. We're mid-organizing. So I bought this 93 T-Bird. That one owner car. A guy bought it new. Really sad story though on it. Look, let's check out the interior. It's a little dirty, but nice clean interior. Super low kilometer car. You know, 157,000 kilometers. You know, it's pretty clean. It smells like it's been a mouse house for a bit. But here's the unfortunate thing that happened, as you can tell by the little stain there on the hood. I'm gonna open this guy up. Oh, sorry guys. Got my all right, we got her. So I think most of the time you don't have to use a mop handle to hold up the hood of these cars, but good lesson. 2 lessons learned on this car. Don't charge your car, your battery, with the hood up. I don't know what he was using, if he was using this or the prop, or I don't know, or the strut let go or something. But what happened is the hood came down, somehow contacted this area with the, well, these terminals are pretty high up. I don't know. Anyway, she caught fire and just started blazing. And the guy lived out in the country, so they were struggling, rain, got the hose. They were home at the time. They put it out the best they could, but you can see she got a little hot in here. But the reason I bought this car is because he just rebuilt this engine. He sent it off to a local shop called the Balancing Act. I know the guy. Really good engine builder locally here. And I seen some pictures of it before. It has roller rockers in it, all the goodies. Hopefully that schmoo just went down there and that's it. It's got headers. It's got a lot of good stuff. The rest of the intake looks good. I think there's a lot of good engine in this. So I don't have anything for it to go into, but either I'm gonna make a few bucks on this. It's a shame. I don't think these cars are worth too much, so she's probably gonna get scrapped after this or parted out, which hopefully, you know, somebody can save some of this, because there's really no rust on this car. But the engine transmission combo, so it would have an AOD transmission in it. It's a pretty good combo, because that's a mechanical transmission, so you don't need a speed controller or anything. And this guy, if you threw a carburetor or something on it, because I don't think this fuel injection system is going to work on it anytime soon. I should find out where the computer is on this. That's probably something. Hopefully it's not under there. But yeah, the wires are all chewed up, so I think what I'm going to do this is take that sucker out of there, unless I come up with a better idea, and then I got to reshoot all of this. And I'm not sure where the dipstick is on this sucker. I'm guessing that's where the fill cap was. I'm not too familiar with this particular setup. Alternator's permanent. What's this? Is that the power steering pump? Huh? Maybe a new housing? Still does its thing. Everything will be toast in here though. But oh, what do we got here? Now this is okay. I don't know what condition this is in. This could be full of water, but luckily the people that owned it put it out, and it wasn't the fire department, so it wasn't dunked. So what do we got in here? What do we got? Is it full of water? Don't look too bad. Actually, that doesn't look bad at all. Is it over full? There could be water at the very bottom. I'm just gonna dunk that again. Let me clean her off here. Let's dunk that again and see what the level's at. Because if it's really full, it might be full of water at the bottom. It is over full. It is over full. So maybe what happened, yeah, she's probably got water sitting underneath the oil, but it still has oil in it. So I'm hopeful on that. I am hopeful. All right. Now for the real work to begin.